How to mute a group chat in Line. In today's video, I'll show you how to mute a group chat in the Line app. Perfect when the notifications are non-stop but you don't want to leave the group. Let's get started. First, launch the Line app on your phone and go to the Chats tab right here. Okay, then scroll through your chats and open the group conversation you want to mute. Let me open this one. Here, tap the three horizontal line at the top right corner. Tap on it right here. Here, tap on mute. Go to settings here as well, right here. And you can just toggle this off as well so that you won't be notified if anyone leaves or comment or react on your notes. Okay, you can go back. As you can see, you have already muted the chat notifications, and that's it. You can unmute it anytime by following the same steps by turning the notification back in like this. And that's it. Now you can stay in the group without the constant notifications. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.